Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry, Acid and Bases, Bronsted-Lowry Acid and Bases Introduction. So what are Bronsted-Lowry acid and bases? Well, let's take a look at the definitions real quickly. Bronsted-Lowry acids donate protons H+ to another compound or molecule. Bronsted-Lowry bases is any compound or molecule that accepts a proton from the Bronsted-Lowry acid. Okay, let's look at some examples. So let's take this for example, H+, okay. And then we'll put this in an aqueous solution, of course, plus OH negative. This is also in an aqueous solution. And when this hydrogen is donated to this compound here, we get H2O liquid. Alright, so this is the Bronsted-Lowry acid. This is the Bronsted-Lowry base. The base, the OH, accepts the hydrogen ion, and this makes our new compound, H2O. Pretty cool. Alright, so now let's look at another example. Let's see here now. Let's go ahead and let's do this one. C6H5OH plus NH2. I'm going to make this a negative charge. This yields, of course, C6H5 O negative plus NH3. All right, so in this case, this is the Bronsted-Lowry acid here. It's going to donate this H proton to the NH2 right here, which is going to give us our NH3. So this is our base. Now our acid becomes our conjugate base, and our base becomes our conjugate acid. Pretty cool, huh? So let's look at one more example. Okay. Here in this case we have NH2 minus plus H2O. Okay, and it yields a reversible reaction, which means it goes backwards and forwards. NH3 plus an OH ion. All right, now when we look at this example, this is our base because hydrogen here is going to be donated to the NH2. This is going to create, so this makes us our Bronsted-Lowry acid. And now, since this accepts that hydrogen, that becomes our Bronsted-Lowry base. And this is the base, so this becomes the conjugate acid. And the acid, which was the H2O, becomes the conjugate base. All right, so these are really good examples. Let's look at one more example, okay? So let me go ahead and erase all this right here, and I'll come up with another example for you guys. This is a lot of fun to do, actually. It's really, really super duper simple. So here, I'm getting ready to do my last example. All right, so here we go. You take HCl plus NaOH. Now, anybody knows that HCl, this is our acid, right? And NaOH, because of that OH ion right here, this is our base. So now we know our conjugate acid and our conjugate base. So now watch what happens next. So the hydrogen is going to be donated to this OH ion right there. This is going to form NaCl plus H2O. So our base becomes our conjugate acid, and our acid becomes our conjugate base. Because the NaOH accepted the H from the HCl, that makes the NaOH again the Bronsted-Lowry base, and since the H was donated from the HCl, that makes the HCl the Bronsted-Lowry acid. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Mucine Chemistry!